Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Square ABCD has a side length of 5 units. ABCD is drawn on a grid, so that C is at 1611. ABCD is then translated 4 left and 2 down. Find the coordinates of vertices A and B after this translation. So what we'll do first is we will work out the original coordinates of A and B. Now on the diagram, A is bottom left and B is top left and D is bottom right. And we know that the side lengths will be 5 units. So let's write down the coordinates of point C, 16, 11. Okay, so here is our coordinate grid. 16, 11 will then be somewhere here. So there is a difference of 5 units. So that means the x-coordinate of point B will be what? The x-coordinate of point B will be 11. And the y-coordinate is still going to be the same. So it's going to be 11, 11. Now, let's have a look at the coordinates of D. So the coordinates of D will be 16, 6. Let's have a look at the coordinates of A. The coordinates of A, remember, the side length is 5 units. So that means the x-coordinate of A will be 5 less than the x-coordinate of D. So that's going to be 11. And the y-coordinate of A will be 5 less than the y-coordinate of B. So that's going to be 6. So here we have the original coordinates of point A, B, C, and D. Now we have to apply the translation, 4 left and 2 down. 4 left and 2 down. So A originally had the coordinates of 11, 6. After applying the translation, the new coordinates of A will look like this. We have to go 4 to the left. So that means we have to subtract 4 from the x-coordinate and we have to go 2 down. So that means we have to subtract 2 from the y-coordinate. Now 11 minus 4 is equal to 7 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the new coordinates of A will then be 7, 4. Let's have a look at B. Let's have a look at B. So the original coordinates of point B was 11, 11. Now, if we apply the translation, it means that we have to subtract 4 from the x-coordinate and we have to subtract 2 from the y-coordinate. So it becomes 7, 9. So the new coordinates of point B after the translation has been applied will be 7, 9.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.